A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I seek refuge in Allah from Satan the accursed. I begin with the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. May the peace and the divine blessings of Almighty Allah be with all of us. I'm here to offer you the best investment portfolio that will be best for you in this world, and via Sadqa Jariyah will be best for you in the hereafter. World Islamic Mission Canada, by the construction of Masjid Noor-UL-Haram in Oakville, offers us the opportunity to gain endless reward from Almighty Allah. By investing in this project, either by donation or Qarz-e Hasana, please call 905-257-1342 to donate, or visit our web at www.wimcanada.com. Our current need to get to the next level of construction is $2.3 million to install the steel structure. Remember, when the angel of death comes to take your soul, you will cease to act. Your worldly existence comes to an end. All your material assets, including your money, will remain in this world and will be of no benefit to you. So please, invest in the house of Almighty Allah by calling 905-257-1342 and make a pledge. This project is well on the way. The beautiful and the blessed mosque seems to be growing out of the ground. Please call 905-257-1342 to donate. Please do not miss out on one of the best Sadqa Jariyah investment that only Almighty Allah can reward. Please make the call now, 905-257-1342. Our current need is $2.3 million. Please see what was accomplished so far. Those beautiful minarets, they're standing tall and strong with the concrete work now completed. We need to move forward with the steel structure and the framework at a cost of $2.3 million. So please call and please donate generously. And may Almighty Allah continue to bless you and to bless your family. And may He also have mercy on the souls of your deceased. Also, please download the Masjid app, WIM Canada, where you can also contribute by using your credit cards. Please sit back, relax, and watch your contribution at work for future generations. Allah Hafiz.
Subhanallah walhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. Subhanallah walhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. You can say it once or 100 times or more. You'll feel that peace inside and it'll open every door. That's the power of remembering Allah. It's the best way to purify your heart. You know you will be loved by the merciful one, 'cause that's the power of remembering Allah. Subhanallah walhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. Subhanallah walhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. So much you can gain just by saying those few words. You can renew your faith and be showered in reward. Oh, that's the power of remembering Allah. It's the best way to purify your heart. You know you will be loved by the merciful one, 'cause that's the power of remembering Allah. La ilaha illallah. والحمد لله. لا إله إلا الله والله أكبر.